Okay, now let's look at number 11. Number 11 basically it just wants you to read that article on page 48 about and other minerals. What does this mean? So the hypothetical reads, A owns all the mineral rights and executes a document to B granting, quote, all my interest in oil and gas and other minerals in, on, and under Section 6, but reserving all rights to the surface estate. So you want to obtain a lease from B. What substances were conveyed to B in the document? Well, if we want to first look at the general rule is that other minerals means all minerals unless it states specifically so to the contrary. So for that reason, casing head gas is going to be a substance that's covered as other minerals. Gasoline or distillate, because it's part of oil and gas, is considered all other minerals. Gold and copper is considered all other minerals. Gypsum is not considered all other minerals. Gypsum is like sand. It's like, I don't know if any of you have ever been to White Sands, New Mexico. The white sands are actually gypsum, and we use that to, well, not from there, but gypsum is used to make drywall. But gypsum is considered like sand or gravel, and it does say one exception is that minerals excludes road building materials, gravel, limestone, or shale. And I would submit to you that because it excludes sand or gravel, it would also not include gypsum. So we know sand and gravel is not included. Coal is considered a mineral in most states, except for in most states, and then fresh water belongs to the surface owner, so that is not a mineral. Let's look at the Oklahoma courts, though. The Oklahoma courts say only if it's associated with oil and gas. So in Oklahoma, all other minerals means casing head gas because it's associated with oil and gas, gasoline or distillate because it's associated with oil and gas. It would not include gold or copper because that's not associated with oil and gas, or gypsum, or fresh water, or coal, or sand or gravel. So in Oklahoma, it's really just casing head gas and gas distillate, that are considered other minerals in Oklahoma. Texas, on the other hand, says that minerals exclude everything but strip mineable coal. So here we're going to put a no for coal, and uranium, which is not shown. So in Texas, casing head gas, yes. Gasoline or distillate, yes. Gold and copper, yes. Gypsum, probably not because it's excluded in other states. Fresh water, no, because that belongs to the landowner. And sand and gravel is not considered a mineral. So there are your answers. I think in Pennsylvania, it makes a reference to Pennsylvania. In Pennsylvania, minerals means specifically coal. So you're going to want to watch that. Okay, so that was a pretty simple one. Let's move on to the next one.